Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable the battery saver in your HUAWEI P Smart Pro. To this operation, go to the settings here. Now go to the battery, and here you have optimize it about our phone. You can choose the performance mode if you don't want the battery, you want the speed. You have power saving mode. This is the half of the battery saver, and you can choose the ultra power saving mode. Enable it. As you see, our phone now is simple. If you want to exit of this, you can exit by tapping on the right corner. Exit. Let's get back to the option of the battery. And of course you can choose the power saving mode, which looks same as your phone, but you lose many less of the battery when you work on this phone. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.